Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create Google Form. So first of all, go ahead into your app, so Google Play, and search for Form for Google Forms, and then download it to the latest. Download it and update it if there is a new update coming. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go back to my screen and then go ahead and enter the form. All right, and after you log in with your account, of course, what you're gonna do, you can just go ahead and log in with your account and continue, and then basically allow Google Forms to have access to your account, and then hit continue. And as you can see, now you logged into your Google Forms. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the plus button at the bottom right corner right here, and I can create a new form. You can create a new blank form. You can create a new form using ChatGPT, and I'm gonna just use or make the shortcut by using ChatGPT, and I would say survey about obesity. Okay, and then I'm gonna forward it right to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will write the title, and then they will write the description, and then they will just take care of all of it, right? And you don't need to actually do it all like we used to be, and ChatGPT will take care of it, right? And then as you can see right here, you're gonna be able to see ChatGPT by itself creating for me like a survey that I can edit it from, and I can do my editing and typing or whatever it might be by clicking the three dots next to it, and you're gonna be able to choose it, right? So basically right here you're gonna see it. I'm gonna wait it out for a few moments right here. As you can see, what barriers prevent you from maintaining a healthy weight, which is which of the following lifestyle changes would you consider to prevent obesity, and as you can see right here, eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, reducing stress levels, getting enough sleep, seeking professional help. And basically you get to see right here what actions can a government take to combat obesity in society, and you can create the three dots next to the survey, and then just go ahead and edit it up on your own time. All right, and basically after you finish, just go ahead and hit publish at the top right if you if you finish with it. So it can create, you can click right here required if you wanted to, and you can copy the or duplicate the that form to actually generate it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.